Now guys, second thing which you can do to increase your website's speed is that you can just go and you can just delete some of the useless themes and plugins. So if you will go to themes, so basically themes are generally the look of our website. So for example, if I take my cursor over here, and if I will hover on visit site, right click and open link in a new tab, so you will see this is how my website is looking right now, because I have chosen this 2022 theme. If I will activate this theme, now this theme is activated. Now if I will refresh my website, you will see some different look. So basically, for whatever purpose you want to create your website, so according to that you have to choose the theme. As I have said you that just go to our website only, cococourses.com. It will going to guide you each and everything about which theme to install for what purpose. Okay, for example, if you want to make one, let's say e-commerce website, let me just go and search with here uh, web development. And now for example, if you want to make e-commerce website, so according to that we have taught each and everything which theme to install. And you can see here install WordPress and everything. We have got each and everything here. Okay, so you just guys do not need to worry with that. So just take the courses if you want, and this will going to clear you each and everything. But just to increase site, you have to remove unnecessary themes. So for example, you want to use this theme, so just delete the themes which you will not going to use for your WordPress website. So for example, if I will tap on this theme details, at very bottom left you will be able to see this option of delete. Click on delete, click on OK. This theme is deleted. Similarly, just delete this theme as well. So this will going to make your website more faster. That's it. And similarly with plugins, so plugins are the features. So as I have told you that whatever feature you want to add, just search for that plugin and you can add that type of feature to your WordPress website almost for free. So 90% plugins are totally free to use in WordPress, right? So for example, I just do not want this and this plugins. Let's say this and this plugin and this plugin. Okay, so I can just manually just click on delete. Okay, bulk, and I can just click on delete and click on apply. Okay, it will going to delete the plugins immediately, and this plugin is activated. For example, imagine if I want to deactivate, that means I want to delete this plugin. So first I have to click on this deactivate button, and then you can see I will going to get delete option. I will click on OK. This plugin is deleted. So in this way, if you think that some of the themes and plugins which you are not required in your WordPress website, so make sure you guys delete that themes and plugins, because it will going to make your website load very much less, that means very much slow. So it's better that whatever themes and plugins which you do not use, so it's always suggested to remove that. Okay, so this is the second tip to remove your themes and plugins from your WordPress website to make it more faster.